dropping points at such an important phase of the league. Before I find out the mistakes that might have cost us the match last night, I'll speak on the positives. The front three, Rashford, Bruno, Cavani, really good. I think Rashford should work on his finishing because the past few matches he's got chances, really good chances, but he's failed to convert it into goals. The two chances after second half, I think he really should have done better on that. And the Bruno Fernandes free kick that was given after I think 60th minute or something, I felt I was not being harsh on him. It was really difficult to score. He had to dip it in. So I don't have any harsh comments on that. But he's had a really superb game. And the people who are saying that he scores only penalties, I think that goal is a statement to all of them. Alright, the defense centre backs horrendous, horrible. I don't have any more adjectives to say. They are like the worst pairing. I feel Bailey should come in for Lindelof. It's really, going really bad. Because if Manchester United lose the title by a few points, these are the games that they will look back upon and say, we should have won it, but because of the defense, we lost it. Bailey, Maguire, I trust them, not Lindelof and Maguire. And the three goals, they were all defensive mistakes. Maguire should have done better on the first goal and the last goal. De Gea, he being the senior most guy in the team, should man up, show some balls, come out, just punch it away. Really lazy. I won't be surprised if Ole drops him for the FA Cup game that's on Wednesday and replaces him with Henderson. He really needs to sit down, introspect on himself, what he's done right, what he's done wrong. Because we have been seeing De Gea past 2 seasons not performing up to the mark. He comes up with those, saves here and there. But these silly mistakes cost us the 3 points. And why will you bring a late substitution Axel Tuanzebe at the end? Why? If you wanted Ariel, you could have bought in Matic. You could have bought in someone else. After that bad game that he had against Sheffield United, he comes in, gives an easy, silly free kick on the left side of the pitch, and then Maguire plays Calvert onside and he's appealing for an offside. Harakiri going on in the defense. Harakiri. They seriously need to buy a good defender this summer transfer if they really challenging for the titles as they say. I saw Ole's press conference after the match. He just said that we are not title chasers. The news people have given the term title chasers. Now I don't know whether that's an indirect dig towards his team, because after today's performance they really need to work on the defense. And rest of them, Luke Shaw, Aaron Bissaka, really good. These are the games that we must win. Leicester City, they are without Vardy. Tottenham Hotspur, they are without Harry Kane. Manchester City, they are without Kevin De Bruyne. These are the it's now is the time to seize the moment. Win games. You cannot drop points. And I'm sick of that Harry Maguire. Sick of him. 80 million. Am I high to believe that it's bought for 80 million? If I was a board, I would have gotten Bruno Fernandes, and as in Bangalore they say the auto wallas, 1.5. I would have got a 1.5 Bruno Fernandes in place of Harry Maguire. International player performing like that on a big stage. A wise man once said, give me Zidane and 10 pieces of wood, I'll win you the Champions League. I'm saying it, give me Harry Maguire and 10 pieces of wood, I'll shove the 10 pieces of wood right up his rear end. Silly mistakes. And you're bloody being the captain of the team. Man up, show some balls. He's so slow. He takes bloody centuries just to bloody come out of the box, and he's so slow paced. I don't know what to say. He really needs to work on his defensive traits. You know, 80 million, really, 80 million joke, serious joke. We could have leveled on points in Manchester City after this game. Just the silly mistakes, here and there cost us the match. Now I know how it feels being on the other side of Fergie time. Seriously hurts. So next game is on Wednesday. It's against West Ham United. It's FA Cup. Hopefully we don't screw it up. Alright.